We have a done-for-you system that's automated. It collects email addresses and sends out a series of pre-written letters to everyone who is interested in the Legacy Builders program. That's the name of this program. And then after someone signs up, after going through your automated system, after going through the information, this same automated system collects the payment and deposits it directly into your bank account. Now, you can't beat that. Just the other day, I was out in the backyard replacing a water hose. Then I get this alert on my cell phone that I have a new customer who just paid me $900. I don't know if you ever experienced something like that before, but it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. And it happens on a regular basis throughout the week and throughout the month. And some days you get multiple alerts. Recently, I got 2 alerts the same day. A man and a woman joined overnight while I was asleep. While I was asleep. I now make it a point to mute my phone when I'm asleep. Because you could get so excited that you can't go back to sleep. So I think you understand what I'm saying. So I mute my phone at night now. Folks, this is fun and it's exciting. You see, this system never sleeps or take a nap. It's automated and it's a beautiful thing to behold. Do yourself a favor and simply check it out. Once you get this information, you'll see for yourself that many of us are earning incredible incomes in a short period of time. Take the next step and put video in the comment area or click on the link in the bio. God bless you.